Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sign up on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of sign up on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click here. Then this list of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.